Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cool Wix website step by step. First, you will select a template from Wix's extensive library of over 800 options. This template serves as your site's foundation. Next, personalize your design by adjusting colors, fonts, and layouts to match your unique brand. Finally, add crucial pages such as an About Us section, a services page, and a contact form to provide comprehensive information for your visitors. Now, let's populate your website with engaging content. Upload high-quality images and videos to capture your audience's attention and visually represent your brand. Craft compelling text for every section, clearly articulating your message and showcasing your unique value proposition. Don't forget to explore the Wix app market, which offers hundreds of applications to add advanced features like booking systems, live chat, or e-commerce capabilities, enhancing your site's overall functionality. Optimizing your website is crucial for reaching a wider audience. Begin by optimizing your site for search engines using relevant keywords and meta descriptions, which helps improve visibility. Next, ensure your website is fully responsive, meaning it adapts seamlessly and looks fantastic on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Finally, connect your custom domain name, like yourbusiness.com, to establish a professional and memorable online presence for your brand. You're almost ready to launch your amazing website. Before going live, meticulously review every page, link, and image to ensure everything is perfect and error-free. Once you are completely satisfied, publish your website with a single click, making it accessible to the world. After publishing, actively promote your new site across various social media platforms, email newsletters, and other relevant channels to attract your first visitors and build your online community.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.